What's up, people? Welcome back here in the Fit Kitchen. Today we're going to be whipping up something very special for you guys.
Very special.
Today on the menu we have honey sriracha salmon as well as oven roasted asparagus. You ready to get to it, bro?
Hey, let's get to it.
All right, let's do it. All right, you guys. So first thing first, you're going to want to grab yourself a large disposable bag or a large Ziploc bag to place these following ingredients to create your marinade for your salmon. You are going to need 1 garlic clove minced, 3 tablespoons of low sodium soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of honey, 2 tablespoons of sriracha, and 3 tablespoons of water.
Now that you've created your marinade, go ahead and add your fish to it and throw this in the refrigerator for about an hour.
Now that the salmon is marinating, right now will be the perfect time to go ahead and start prepping your asparagus. The ingredients needed are 3 tablespoons of olive oil, 1.5 tablespoons of Parmesan cheese, 1 clove of garlic minced, 1 teaspoon of sea salt, 1/2 teaspoon of ground black pepper, and 1 tablespoon of lemon juice.
Now you want to take those ingredients and mix them really well with your asparagus, and then begin to line your asparagus on your parchment paper. Now after you've lined your parchment paper with your asparagus, go ahead and throw it in a preheated oven of 425 degrees.
So now that the salmon has finished marinating, go ahead and coat a piping hot skillet with olive oil spray. Now you want to add in your salmon, skin down, cooking it 4 to 5 minutes each side. You will begin to notice it start to turn a opaque color. All right, guys. So now that everything is done and complete, the best part of everything is trying out, your delicious plate.
Let's dig in, man. We did that. We did that.
All right, so you guys want to try this as well, go ahead, look at the recipe, and then send us a message. Let us know what you think about it.
All right, guys. Till next time, we'll see you back here in the Fit Kitchen.